1 whole chicken, 2.3 pounds. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside. For the sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of calamansi extract or lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. Mix well and set aside. A little bit of cooking oil. Sear all sides. One bunch spring onions. 1 medium red onion. Add the sauce. Add Coca-Cola, 500 milliliters. Bring to a boil. One thumb-sized of ginger. 2 stalks spring onion. 3 small red onion. 2 star anise, optional. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Simmer over medium-low heat for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, flip to cook the other side. Simmer for another 25 to 30 minutes. Remove and set aside. Remove the aromatics. Add cornstarch slurry. Cook over low heat until sauce thickens. Serve with rice and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.